Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is freedom. It's time to let the chains go. Stop being so limited, limiting yourself, limiting your beliefs, limiting God, limiting your potential. You're limiting your manifestations. I need you to be radical. Freedom is in your aura, is in your circumference. This is part of your being. You've earned it. So don't reflect back, don't cower back, don't retract back to anything less than getting your maximum freedom. I mean, freedom through finance, freedom of time, freedom of peace, freedom of spirit. I realize my wounds create doubt, resentment, and guilt. So I work to free myself of all those dark things. I cast off negative thoughts and I find peace in my heart and discover being a light within me. And I clone in, I zone in, and I allow myself to shine, baby, shine the brightest. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.